my computer broke, so I had to change the setup. So I just am not sure if it's okay. Oh, camera is completely off. Hmm.
Sorry. Morning, sir. Morning, everyone. So did anyone take the trade here, sir?
I looked at that trade promote and I was going to take it and then I did not. So
Okay.
I'm very upset with myself. But I took another trade which was on at exactly the same time on virtual. So yeah, I missed that one.
I saw that, ma'am. Like your post, I saw that virtual.
Yes. So they were on at the same time. So I was flicking between the two and I was like, no. Just do one at a time.
Yeah. So when you are one trade, so why should we take another trade? Makes sense.
Yeah, I can't manage two at the same time.
Yes, and usually most of the token it will be in the same pattern.
Exactly.
Yeah, sir. Brett, sir, did you take the trade or any Inky Rock? Anyone from here?
I didn't take that arc, but I'm in a goat long at the moment on goat, small long.
Okay.
Yeah. The candles are currently at the top of the daily CPR.
Okay.
So Pramod, was my virtuals trade right?
I'll just check. VIR
VIRTUAL.
.P.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I saw there was liquidity sitting there. So I know it was a bit risky, but I was aware of that. I'd marked that liquidity. Yeah.
I'll just check one second. It from here, right? This area.
Yes.
Yes, it was correct. So why we should see now here the market is downtrend. So now tell me if the market break this level, till where do you think it can go? If this breaks
If it break,
upside. Yeah.
I think I'd say the third top there. How do you draw on this thing? I've never done it.
Left side on the corner, you can see one. You will get one pen logo on the corner green.
Goodness.
So what do you think here, ma'am? Here
I'd go yes.
before
I'd
that,
say
where
that would be
is where is
first,
the breakout?
well,
you have to find where is the breakout.
okay. The breakout would be here just above where I took my entry.
Yes.
And there's a neckline here. Yes.
Yeah, you have to see this, ma'am. To reach here, see, market can go this high, no doubt. But before that, so it should break out. So we can see here multiple, we have rejections at this place.
Yes. Okay.
So yeah, maybe market can go even now. So if the candle goes below this, then yes, just leave it. If it started moving from here, then your next entry will be from this area, ma'am.
Right. Thank you.
No problem. Because now they build the liquidity here.
Yes.
Even they can do this also. But yeah, if it's above this, then if its market is going, then they'll take this, they'll hunt this. Then from here, you should try the short position. Your target will be again the recent low.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No.
The reason I only took my TP to the 618 is because I wasn't sure if I should be looking for a long.
I saw here, like you have the 618. zone. Yeah,
Yes.
I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah. So I shouldn't be looking for longs, even
Let me
though
check on the,
I know we're,
yeah, if it sees 1 second, let me check.
yeah,
Yeah,
on the
you should
1
look.
hour.
Yes, it's uptrend. You can find the long positions, correct? Because I didn't see that directly. I was checking on the 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, it's showing the downtrend, right? On the 1 hour, it's uptrend on 1 hour and 4 hours.
Yes.
Just and see, if you take the long positions, then this will act strong resistance now. So maybe this can be a possible. So it will go till here. Once again, they'll come till here, ma'am. Maybe then they can
Okay.
break.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it's in the golden zone on the 1 hour. So I'm really looking for a long entry for longer term. Start
Yeah,
as a scalp and maybe turns into a swing trade. So that's my idea.
I don't think so, ma'am. It can reject from here.
No?
Even on the 1 hour also, it's the same zone.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
I
because we had
don't,
that big drop.
yes. So even on the 1 hour is also the same scenario. So from here, maybe it can go, ma'am.
Okay. Great. Well, hopefully one day I can see a chart like you, Pramod. Just
No, it's easy, ma'am. Because what I see, okay, we have divergence, and you can look at this market was making higher, and we got the breakout. So at least after, see, when we get breakout, at least it will travel downside for at least till here. So we have
Okay.
from here we have impulsive move. So now they took rejection. I think from this place, it will be better to look short positions currently.
Okay.
So if you
Right.
are in the long positions, if you're taking the long positions, fine. You can book it till here. So they can reject from here now. I told right
Okay.
on the 5 minutes, in the 5 minutes also, the scenario is very clear. So if it goes above this, if the market wants to go, so this area will act as a support now. So when it breaks, then you will see higher highs.
Okay. Great. Yeah. It's going to take a while.
Yeah, Brett sir, did you take any trade?
No, I did not.
Why, sir?
Well, because I was I don't know, I kind of have like this some bad allergy that I can't even sleep. So when yeah, I just woke up actually now because I went to sleep at 5 in the morning and was just not feeling well actually.
So now, let me see who will give. Sir, Dave, sir, what do you think? Why the
Yes,
market
sir.
dropped from here, sir? Why?
Well, my first try would be that this is a point of interest here.
Okay, apart
You
from
can see
that,
my drawing.
yes, I can see. Apart from that, why this place is important? Anyone can answer, sir. So first tell me what are these, sir?
Liquidity.
Correct. Now it's done. So from yesterday, what's it? Like yesterday, where traders will enter in the market, they'll enter in the when the market will drop, so they'll enter here. So these are our strong liquidities. So they sweep and they'll drop from where. So from the place we need, right? Like from where it will drop. So market can drop from here, here, and maybe here. Like how you will come to know it will drop here. See, first you have to check the waves, sir. Yesterday, where the market started dropping, correct? From where you took the trade. It was on the top. Correct? It was on the top. So now whether this liquidity sweep here, either here, yes, it went, and this place, no. Immediately we cannot jump into the trade. So if you mark any order block, even if I want to take any trade, if I mark this is the top, like you can see this candle. This, if I use the order block, when we see this kind of move, right, impulsive move, the weakness of the market. Assume that I took the trade from this because of evening star and I keep the and my stop loss. It got hit. Done. Then how you try this? So when the market was started from this place with the double top pattern, now this will be the strong liquidity. Okay, this will be the strong liquidity, and we assume that the market should take the liquidity. So it didn't take. And in this case, now you just look at this move. When you go at this, when the market will reach at this place, just check the volume now. You're not doing any scalping now. You are directly entering from these positions. This see now what I'm showing this. Maybe you don't understand, but in coming days you will understand. When I assume that I took trade today, and I'll start marking where all the market got rejection. So now my entry is from here. So clearly I know that the strong liquidity is at these three places. So market took the first liquidity and the second one. Maybe market can come down. And even I'll try the short positions here. I got the stop loss sheet at this place. Once again, I'll wait for here. Now the market was struggling. So, and this place, definitely I'll be trying this trade. So here I'll explain like this. When the market will be going in this sharp up, right? It was yesterday. On the same day, New York session, they took all the liquidities. Immediately, why should I take the entry now? I should wait some pattern when it goes in single wave, because already the market has completed is wave. One day, what the market should give the momentum it gave. Now this is the retracement. So nobody can say that, yes, I'll try, the market can go from this area or this. Now, by seeing this wave, I seriously don't try any trades at these places. We need some good wave, because every day for example, every day the market can give this much move. It's already gave here. So in between, for scalping, if the market dropped 20%, for example, the market dropped 20% and the market is at the lowest point, it is, so from joining the trade here, it will be very risky, sir. You can join very strict stop losses, very small. And from these places, we don't have any candlestick pattern. Finally, you got candlestick pattern at this place and you took stop loss. But here, I used always this theory. Do you remember, sir? Now, if I don't want to enter here, so I don't know here whether the liquidity will sweep. We have evening star, but yes, we cannot take the trade immediately. Here at this place yesterday, Brett sir, most of them, they was thinking the market can sweep this liquidity, right? Here they sweep the liquidity, then the May can drop from this order block. But unfortunately, market started dropping from this place. Now this area will be more strong. Exactly, it tapped that area, and I cannot take the trade because of this evening star, sir. No, candle should close below this. Maybe you can take this. It should close inside this, then only my entry will be valid. Target. So now you will get the target, the same one. First is the breaker block. You can see here where the first market started rejecting this area. So again, if it's continued, then continue, it will be moving down. So now the second trade, if you want to join, just wait to tap this area, sir. You can join the trade from here. Just wait for the now it's UK session. Maybe you will get this after 2-3 hours. Just wait. If you see any good candle here, just try the trade at this place. Let it, your target will be again. So just see, we have good wave. When it goes here, use break even. Let it make a new low. So for sure, it will take some time to understand this area, sir, like how it works.
So Pramod.
Yes, sir.
So Pramod, sorry. If assume it doesn't close back here, then you are waiting to sweep this, right?
Yes, sir. Then my trade will be from here itself.
Okay.
If it sweep this, my trade will be from here itself. I don't wait till here.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem, sir. Jan, sir, did you take any trade?
No, I was sleeping.
Okay.
I went to bed.
No problem. OZ, sir, did you take any trade, sir?
No, I didn't. I was busy working today, so I didn't get the opportunity.
Oh,
But I was curious as to how that worked on ARC, that point you just mentioned. So yeah, thank you for explaining that.
no problem, sir. But you should remember, sir, where, see, if you're taking the trade from the top, for example, you should remember that will be strong liquidity. Like where you took the trade. So the bottom one, like here, this is anytime market can take. But on the top side, it will be challenging to sweep this liquidity, sir. If it sweep, then it will be great call. Then happily we can say the market can go down now. So already it created low here, it break out, retest, and once again we got breakout. Now just wait to sweep this or from this area, sir. From here you can continue.
Yeah, thank you,
Yes,
sir.
no problems.
Pramod,
Yes, sir.
I had a question about this arc at 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I could not decide if it is now a change of character or if it is.
Downside, sir.
Yes. Because I have now a very small wave, and I think, hey,
Okay, you're talking about the up here, right? Here.
no, I'm not talking about the order blocks, but just the market structure.
Structure, yeah. Where did you see that, like downside or upside? What you are talking about? Change of character. Here
Yeah, if you go, let me look at
or
my
here?
chart. Yeah, now I'm more at the right side. I have I was downside.
Okay.
Let me from here. Yeah, with that. Shall I draw? Sorry for the. Somewhere here I was in the down, but also there I think there is BOS of a change in that small. If you can zoom in.
One second. Yeah, I'll zoom, sir. Okay.
Internal.
Shall I delete that? Yeah, I don't know if it will let me write it here. Is there a change here or not?
No, sir.
I was a bit dubious about that.
No, don't see that for now. But it's very small wave, and
Yeah, that's
yeah.
what I.
And we are, so why we was interested to take the short position because of this, sir. See, after the breakout, market should come directly, but here the market becomes sideways. So after this, like within few candles should reach this place, or at least it sweep this liquidity, sir. This one or this.
Okay.
But the market is ranging still. So let's see if we get any good sell side trade, then we'll join this trade, sir.
Yeah, because that big green candle was also adjusted to golden zone when you look at the up. So I think, hey, I get a bit confused which way to go.
No, it can go, but the wave is not so good, sir. You can see the market, like, yeah, you can see this, sir. It's completely ranging.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sir. No problem. And we was discussing about the AI 16. Yes. It's rejected from here, sir. Let's see, sir. If this level breaks, then yeah. Did you take any trade long here, sir? Your sir. No.
No, I didn't take anything, mate.
Okay.
I took a short on the 5 minutes.
AI 16, sir.
Yes, sir.
From where, sir? Here or here?
Yes, that one on the retest here.
Sorry. Yeah.
Retest here. I just draw a box here.
Okay. Where did you close?
That's the thing. I was tired yesterday, so
You close
this
here.
morning.
You close it
Because I
here or
went to-
here?
Oh, no. I closed it. I closed it here. I set a TP here
Okay.
to
No
get
problem.
here,
Yeah.
and then
No
it
problem.
closed.
Yes. No problems.
Oh, it looks like it's going up now. It wants to go back up.
No. You you close it here, which is good, sir. Because on 1 hour, what we saw now, maybe it can go back from here also, sir. Nice you did like you closed it. See, if this candle close above this, what will happen, sir? So this will start seeing internal higher highs. Even in the major also, sir.
Yeah, Pramod, I was considering taking that long there at the bottom there. Would that have been a decent entry or not so good?
Which one? AI-16, sir?
From wait, yeah, AR16 there at the low there.
Yeah. Where? Which place?
And that um there. For a short scalp long. I was considering it. Is that not a good entry?
Let me see 1 second, sir. No, sir. See, you can take this entry because again, whenever what we have here, the structure is showing from this area. 1 second. So on the 1 hour, what it's showing, the market is near the trend line. So we cannot take any short positions from here, right? So we got like big green candles here and the market just retraced on 5 minutes. Only the problem is here, the wave was too big. See, if you take the trade here, now I would have tell you, sir, just close the trade when it reached here and the market is at the same place now. Because when the market comes, lower highs. So now this area, candle should go above this and yes, it can continue upside, sir. So from this area, market can continue. If did you take any trade here? Or
no, I was thinking of doing it, but it's pretty much a similar pattern on goat, and I went for the goat trade instead. It looks like goat made a chock on the 1 hour and the 5 minutes, and I thought it was trying to go up to form a boss. So I just took a chance.
Yeah, on the 3 minutes. So and you look at
because I know it.
Yeah.
I know it has been in a goat anyway. It has been in a big decline, and there's a POI. It had a significant impulsive drop. There's a POI at the top, so I thought maybe it's on a super narrow. I thought even though it's descending, super narrow, I thought maybe it's going to try go up towards the POI.
No, that's correct. Correct. And in this POI, we have W pattern here. So in this area, like I used to tell, right, when you see impulsive move, you just shift to the smaller time frame. You have to search whether we have any order block. So on 3 minutes, we have order block, correct, at this place. So when you don't find any order block on the 5 minutes, so in this area, like in this fib level or anywhere, so just go to 3 minutes, you can find we have one order block, correct? So if you find this, so just mark that order block, go to the 5 minutes. If it's matching to your 618, then this will be your entry. Target is very small because already market has rejected 2 places. So your target will be this.
Yeah, it would be a small scalp, I realize.
Correct. Yeah, that's scalping trade. So near resistance, any resistance and support, if you see huge big candle with the high volume, then you should at least you should book some profit and hold it. So here, if you get any, so we don't have ultra high volume candle at this for this candle particular, but here we got it, sir, at this place. Now we should be careful. See, after this candle, the market started becomes sideways. And this is the same place, sir. So when you match these candles, this is the still same place. So now we cannot say this is the breakout. No, this is not the breakout. It's just candle staying above that. So breakout market should go at least till here. From this place, yes, you can continue. For today, we'll find the trade this now. If the candles go still here during sessions, okay, just wait to tap this area, sir. From here, you can take the trade. The target will be recent high.
US is going to be volatile today, Pramod, because you've got FOMC.
FOMC,
today as well.
sir. Stay away, guys. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, I forgot. We have FOMC. No. FOMC, I don't know about the crypto. During FOMC, NFP, CPI, federal speech. On these 4 newses, usually during US session, I don't trade, sir. I'll be.
Yeah, and actually, if you check BTC, for example, they are already preparing for something because yesterday in the evening it rocketed. So they are preparing for something. You see? No technical analysis, I think, will.
No. Technical, it won't work anything now.
Yeah.
So in this case, you know how to see, sir. I'll tell you one gold secret. Where is the order block? Yes, order block. Yes, sir. In the news times, especially on gold, if the market is uptrend, they'll drop, then they'll go up. My friends, they use order limit here. Yes, sir. They'll use order limit at this place. Especially gold. If even the market goes up from here, after few minutes fast, they'll come, people will take short positions, then they'll make a new order. Not only 5 minutes, it works on 1 hour. We have to see big on big pictures. We should find order block on 4 hours like that. So here clearly, okay. Apart from order block, what we have here?
Liquidity. Breaker block.
Yes, sir. Breaker block. Liquidity is too far, sir. Liquidity is too far. Before I asked you near the order block. So we have the both things here. This will be bad.
But when I'm here on this in front of the screen, for example, here, I cannot predict this. Can I?
This one, yes, on the 5 minutes, you have to find the entries. That's it, sir.
Mm-hmm. Because it went so aggressively.
Yeah, that only see how you should think, right, sir? How should take the trade here? Most of them they ask me question. So how to take the trade from here? I'll give them answer. So before thinking that, think how to join the trade from here. Yes, sir. Once I took the trade, trust me, sir. Once I took the trade with my friend somewhere here. For example, I took somewhere here and I got very good profit. I closed, market went up. After I booked the profit, market went up. So nobody can predict this.
Yeah, yeah. So what I can do is join earlier because I'm missing the trade earlier, and leave some in to catch this, right? To close at least just 70 or 80% and land the 20% run with break even. And if I'm lucky, I can catch this big one.
That is
okay.
This kind of trade setup. We should understand the liquidity, sir. Where the market was staying for few minutes, few hours. There they'll be liquidity. Then they'll come for the sweep if it's coming. So, for example, see this where you see this all liquidities, right? Nobody can predict from where the market will go up. I assume that if I give even the signal, I'll tell you guys to your first target is this because we don't know what is going to happen here. So only for that reason I say hold 20%. So,
okay.
Yeah, sir. When assume that here we have the liquidities at these places, okay? That's it sweep immediately started moving up. But if I take the trade here, for example, myself, so I got bullish signal. My target is this, my stop loss just below this candle. So I'll see, okay, we got big candle. I'll book some profit. I'll use my break even. Now my break even is somewhere here. So I'll wait for rest move. Where on the recent high on the 1 hour. Because when we understand, okay, I'm taking the long positions according to the 1 hour, the target is this, and the target is achieved now.
It's a good example. Thank you.
No problem.
Also, the very low of this move was actually the Asia low from Monday.
Okay. This one.
Yes,
Yes, it sweep Monday's liquidity.
yes.
Hmm.
I marked that on my chart, but I didn't
Mhm.
take any trade.
More.
Yes, sir.
Can you have a look at AIXBT?
AXIBT. Oh. Okay.
So I entered last night. 5 minutes. If you go on the 5 minute,
5 minutes, 1 second, sir.
yeah, my entry was right at the bottom there.
Where?
Here.
Very nice, sir. Hold it, sir.
So I'm target is here. Is that correct?
Yes. If the market,
Yeah.
see, when you take the trade, and tell me what is this pattern, V pattern. So usually
No,
our
that's-
entry will be from here, sir. But you took very
Yeah.
quick, very nice.
I looked at the 1 hour. If you go on the 1 hour,
Mhm.
it was in the golden zone. With the
From where did
demand
you
zone
take the trade? Here?
yesterday night.
The sweep, this one.
So the demand zone was there.
Yes. Before that, where we have the liquidity?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So when the market moves up, he assumed that we have order block here. The market is going up. Now there'll be liquidity, they'll sweep, then they'll go up. If
Yeah,
this is
and there was,
unmitigated. Yes.
and there
You-
was 1 hour
Hmm.
divergence as well.
Okay. Here like this?
Yeah.
Okay. And we have so many candles, particular this candle, why did you take the order block, sir?
Because it's in the golden zone, right in the golden zone.
Hmm. Oh.
Plus, there's fair value gap.
Correct. At this place. Here, right?
Yeah.
The first markets moved from here. So when it happens this way, the fib level, sorry, the fib level, just delete that, sir. It's mitigated now. So if you want to find the trade in this, so this is the only way. Let's wait for the sweep, enter, and the same thing of what I showed on the 5 minutes. So now I cannot take my trade this bullish engulf. It will be a big, right? So just jump into the 5 minutes. This is the same trade setup from this area, but you took here, which is really
Yeah,
amazing.
I saw the morning star. And
On the 5 minutes.
5 minutes. And there was a high volume candle as well. So it was a risky trade, but stop loss was very small.
Very nice. Yes, we have morning star at this place, correct. With the ultra high volume candle.
Yeah.
Yes. So I want to ask one question. I never discussed about this. Let's see. If this is the resistance, okay, if this is resistance, and you will get 1 doji and one green candle. So what pattern is this?
Engulfing.
Bearish engulfing.
What is this? Engulf. I'm asking 2 candles.
Evening star of
Evening
engulfing.
star.
Okay, evening star. if this is ultra high volume candle evening star in the green, sorry, red, should take the trade or no? What do you think, sir?
Take it. And then what color is the candle? Red, you said.
This is red and red volume, ultra high volume.
Yeah,
Just- Just
I'll take
imagine
I will wait.
for retest.
Yeah, because I don't know if it's ultra wide volume, if it's basically telling me stop doing shorts, because it might be reverse, and they might break the level.
Okay. Now, if this is a green candle and green volume, now will you take the trade or no, sir?
100%.
That's a climax candle.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is climax
taking
candle.
profits.
Correct, sir. That is climax candle. People book the profit here, but you just think and come about this. Let's see who will, like what, like Mr. B said, yes, I'll take the trade, and Fred sir said he'll wait. What about Jan, sir? What do you do?
No, wait for a retest, mate.
You'll wait for retest.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir.
At least if this doji would have the wick
Hmm.
like this. So basically, I would like to see to retest somewhere around this area first, and then I would need to see, bearish in order for me to go down.
Okay, so what would you do, Pramod?
I'll take it, sir.
Okay.
Can you combine them into two so that the two candles make one? So it's a hammer.
Sorry, I didn't understand. What, sir?
So can you combine those two? So you have red, small red, and then big green. Or worse, the opposite way. But you combine
Hammer.
them together.
No.
Yeah.
No, when we have two candles, no, you don't combine here. Just for bullish engulf, we do that, sir. Bearish engulf, bullish engulf, we do that. But in this case, if there is ultra high volume candle and if I see resistance, this place, like what Johan sir said, I'll wait for the retest. And yes, I'll also wait for the retest. But from here, I'll try to enter this trade, sir. If this liquidity sweep, then what you will do, sir? Will you take the trade or not?
Yes.
100%. Yes. I'll also
Yes.
take the trade. I'll try everything, sir. What all I see in the chart, if there is confirmation. And apart from near resistance, if everything is correct, then I'll try my at least small trade. I don't want to miss this opportunity. That's it. I tried
But
just.
sometimes it might not even come back and retest. It might just continue going.
No, then I'll join this trade on the 1 minute. Yes, I'll join them. Immediately I'll go to the 1 minute. I'll join this trade. I don't. I'll just go to the 1 minute. I'll see if I see any retracement. I'll find if FEG from FEG. I'll join that trade. Yes, sir. You understood, sir? So assume that if I see back to back 3, 4 red candles, immediately I'll jump into the 1 minute. I'll find nearest FEG. I'll try to join the trade from there. It's all depend upon the how much big is that candle, sir. If the candle is too big, I'll wait for retracement. If the candle is very small evening star, I'll just jump into that trade. See now, if this evening star is too big, then I don't take the trade from here, sir. For example, if this is a valid one, I'll wait to enter in this, right? So I think, okay, let's wait from here. We'll try. If the candle is very small, then I no need to wait. I'll just see the distance between the wick and the body, like doji wick and the closing of the bearish engulf. According to that, then I decide. Now, in this case, I cannot take the trade here. My stop loss will be huge. I'll wait till here to come back. If it's coming here, then I'll join my trade, my stop loss. So it makes sense, right? At least 50% I reduce my stop loss. I can do in this way.
Pramod, can I ask you now something? Because I see it looks like I make this system work, so probably
Yes,
I
sir.
can talk. But if you go to ARC on 5 minute, right? Let me see. All right. What I started doing right now, just to test the one strategy, that is that you always say that market always makes fresh support and resistance, right?
Absolutely correct.
Yeah, so I basically created one, and I move all the time, so I don't have, let's say, all these drawings. But let's say I will have one line like this, and
Correct.
then when I see some different basically like support breakout, then I move this one, let's say, to here, and I'm moving it, right? So in the morning when I was actually thinking this was my basically support and resistance, and I saw this bullish engulfing, right? So then in that case I went to 1 minute. If you can go to 1 minute, I just want to make sure because I don't usually see this. So basically my line was in 1 minute was here.
Correct.
And then I don't know if this is correct, but I saw this as
the same thing what you saw in the 5 minutes.
a head and shoulder reverse.
Yes, correct.
So it's okay. So once I saw this, basically, I knew that I missed this already because the long would be from this area, right? Correct?
Correct.
All right. So because you always say that when there is a breakout, because I have only this basically line all the time, I don't do anything else. Then it was breakout and then the red test, and then this was basically. Oh, let me delete this. If you can zoom this on.
Yeah.
So basically double doji Morningstar, correct?
Yeah.
So basically because I saw double doji Morningstar and I saw this red, I actually entered my trade right here, stop loss right here in the morning.
Very
before.
nice.
And yeah, I didn't wait actually to close because I knew that if I would wait, the stop loss would be too big. And I basically saw it already went over this candle.
Correct.
So I entered with less stop loss. Do you think it's okay like that?
It's
Or
okay.
it was...
Yes. Like 1 second. Before this candle closed, you entered.
Yeah, I
Why?
entered because I saw the double doji here and it went above this already.
Okay.
So I was ready to take either stop loss in this case, or yeah, it just went, because
Yeah. That is again risky trade. The small trade set the small stop loss. It's okay. Yes.
it's just because I saw the two dojis, you see.
Yes, but don't do next time.
Okay.
What you do, it immediately turned into the shooting star.
Yeah, actually, it happened to me a lot of times, and I remember when Pramod says, "Wait for candle close."
Yes, yeah. And what candle is this, sir? Just single
Or this
candle.
one, the Mariboso, you mean?
The single candle.
It's a Mariboso candle.
Correct.
Gold.
So target where did you think, like still where I should?
Well, I see liquidity is here. I'm still holding because I see liquidity is here and liquidity is here. So the first one already took. The second one, it looks like they're going there now.
Okay. So now
But my target actually is higher.
okay.
My target is at liquidity at price 53.96.
396. The same place. Okay. 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's basically this stuff
Okay.
for now.
Hmm.
And if it goes, it goes. It doesn't, it's okay. I'm just
Yes.
testing it. Yeah, like that.
Let's see how it works today, sir. We have FOMC. Be careful before the FOMC. Please keep your all trades break even. And thank you so much, Yon sir. Every day posting about the news, fundamental news, and all. Thank you for your updates. So we have small request. If you have, see, however you are posting that, if you have time, please post it. Forex Factories news also, sir.
Okay, no worries, mate.
Yeah, just take USD pairs. Just put the screenshots. I'll be forgetting that. Let me check, sir. Today, Forex Factory. FOMC, yes. And May 13th, Tuesday, on that day we have CPI. Okay. We have two news today. FOMC, I'll just show you. No, we have, sir, for FOMC, we have strong news here. Federal funds rate, FOMC statement, 12:30 a.m. or 12 a.m. We have press conference, FOMC.
Yeah, if they cut rate, I don't think they're gonna cut rates, but if they cut rates, the market's gonna rocket. But if they don't cut it, then I think that it's already priced in, mate. We'll see. We'll see.
Let's see, sir. Yes. Sir, thank you so much, guys. So I'll find the trade. Okay, this one ARC. If it comes here, just wait for liquidity sweep or else divergence. If you see any candlestick pattern in this nearby, try the short positions. Keep stop loss above this. And where is our daily CPR? How we have the daily CPR at the same place and super narrow. Whether this super narrow it will work or what, we'll see. Yeah, and you can see even this also market can be a sideways after now, because before the news the market will become sideways. So that should be careful on that time, and when it will be near, right? Just book some profits, sir, or else book completely profits. We don't know what is going to happen during the news. Dave, sir, please go and take rest. It's already
Okay.
3 a.m. Right? To what is that time?
No,
sir?
no, I'm still in the EU. I'm working now. I'm just, you know, have a break in my calendar, let's say.
Then, sir, we'll meet US session today.
Looking forward to that.
Sure, sir.
Right.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much, guys.
Pramod.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pramod.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank
bye,
you.
bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
everybody.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
John, sir.
Then the heart with the arrow.
Bye, sir. Take care.
Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Bye, Paul, sir. Bye-bye.